Cortech accent chair assembly and installation instructions. You will need pencil, drill with 3/8 inch bit and 3/8 inch masonry bit, T45, T40, T27, Torx pinhead, 1/2 inch socket wrench, Torx flathead screws and steel nylon insert flange nut, security Torx anchor bolts. Step 1. Flip product over. Using T27 Torx bit, take ballast door off. Step 2. Line up plate. Using 3/8 inch drill bit, drill out all 4 countersunk holes. Step 3. Feed bolts through the countersunk holes and tighten with nylon lock nuts. Step 4. Replace ballast door. Step 5. Put product in place and mark drill points with pencil. Step 6. Remove product and drill out holes. Replace product and install 3/8 inch anchors.